Welcome back to the Hostek channel. It's Deja, your favorite Hostek host, and today I'm going to show you how to upload a file in your WCP Control Panel. But as always, make sure you first like and subscribe to this channel, and to learn more about Hostek and how we can help you on your web hosting journey, make sure you click the link in the description box now. Once you've logged into your control panel, all you have to do is find File Manager under Files, and then when prompted, go ahead and click Login. And I'm going to show you how to upload a file in a particular directory. For this example, I'm going to go into my subdomains. I already have two directories created, examples and teams. We're going to go ahead and upload a file in examples, and we're going to upload it in this directory. All you have to do is right click, scroll down to upload file, choose the file you'd like to upload, click upload, and now your file is uploaded into the directory that you would like. And if you need to go back a folder, all you have to do is click directory and then click it one more time to bring you back to the top. And you're also able to upload a file right here as well. All you have to do is right click again and click upload file. And that's all it takes to upload a file in your control panel. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you never miss a tutorial. And to learn more about Hostek and how we can help you on your web hosting journey, make sure you click the link in the description box now. We'll see you next time.